Hello, good morning. We are on 8th February, so we'll just start the webinar. So we are at somewhere around 9 o'clock. So it's a very simple application what we have. That is our trading tree, and we have clubbed this with our Ammyy broker for better results. Let me just first open the charts, and after that maybe I'll explain you how this whole thing works. So what I do is I take the backfill first. So I've added some scripts here. So all these prices, what you're seeing is the equity prices. You can even trade in futures also. So futures, commodity, agri, you can work on all these things. So currently for this particular session, I am using the equity data. And let me start my NinjaTrader. So what you'll have to do first is go to the NinjaTrader and click on File, and then just click on this external data feed. What it actually does is it connects that is your data server to NinjaTrader, and we'll be getting the data feed on the charts right from and here on this NinjaTrader you should have this running always. So it's already running. So let me just say okay. So you can just see the backfill is happening. After the backfill is done, I will just take the historical data, and after the historical data I will open the charts automatically. So we have this small application here. So we'll just copy and paste the script's name. So I have typed all this. So I'll just copy and paste it in that NT open charts, and you'll be able to see how we can open the charts automatically instead of a manual opening. Now let's go to money control. Let's see what's happening. So you can just see SGX Nifty is minus 27, and the Asian markets Nikkei is in negative. Straight times Hang Seng is positive. Taiwan is again negative. The Korean market is positive. So Shanghai again it's negative. So we can expect something like a 20 points gap down open or a flat opening. So other than this, in money control, you'll be even getting the stocks and news. So you can just go to this. So you have the stocks and news. So DLF, JP, TBS, Jet Airways, Tata Power, PC Jewelers, it's coming into the F&O segment. PC Jewelers, Comments, KPIT, these are getting into the F&O segment from Feb 26. So that is one of the real news there. So other than that, we have PTC and Glenmark. So we can just make a small research in the morning just before you actually start trading. And apart from this, you'll even have stocks and news in even economic times also. Let's just see if the backfill is done. Okay, the backfill is done. Now what I'll do is I'll just take the historical data. So your historical data is always stored in your program files, TradingTree NT import directory. I'll just select all and then just say open. So once that is done, I'll get a pop-up. So you have this list here on economic times. So you can see Jet Airways, Tata Power, PTC, Precision Crankshaft, Metal Stocks, DLF, PNG, PNB, Rallies. So these are the scripts that are on news today, that is on economic times. And apart from that, we have already seen the scripts that are there in news and money control also. So I have put all these charts in a 5-minute mode. So I'll come back to that again. So historical data is done. So you can just close this, minimize these things. And now I have my scripts file. You can just see how I open the charts. I just copy and then paste it in the box here. So there you go, you can open the charts automatically. So while the charts are being opened, it's always better you don't do any mouse operation. Otherwise it will stop. So that's sort of a green opening, a flat opening for Nifty. So that's done till Cipla. Now let me just copy and paste. You'll be able to open 40 charts at a time. So that's the reason why I have not copied all the scripts. So that's a flat opening for Nifty 7489. That's on a pre-open. It's not necessary that you'll have to open these many charts. You can just open the charts whichever you want to trade. So I'm just for a demonstration purpose, I'm just opening all the charts here. Okay, let's stop till here. So I've just opened all the charts. Now you can just even see that all your data would have been updated even in the Ammyy broker. So it's 9:15 now. So we have a buy call in Maruti. So let's wait till the candle closes. So I have put all my charts in 5-minute mode, that is in Ninja and even in Ammyy broker. So I'll get a confirmation here after the candle closes. So I'm not taking that particular call here. I'll get a confirmation in Ammyy broker, and then only we'll be entering the trade. So ACC has been flat. So that's Adani Enterprises. So you'll be able to trade in both intraday and positional with this particular application. Apollo Hospital, your entry for sell is 1449. You can see the prices on the right side of the panel, and at the bottom you have the time. So you have a sell call generated here. So what you do is you short it at the bottom of the candle, that is 1449, and your stop loss will be your red horizontal line here, 1460. And let's check the trend even in Ammyy. So that's a sell call here, and then we got an immediate buy. That was the previous session. So whenever you get this dot, it means a sell, and after the sell, after that particular dot is generated, you will get an arrow, which means that that's a confirmed sell call. So it has been flat. You can see that there are multiple number of trades here. So Crompton, we have a sell. Hindalco, So Torrent, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Divis, Hindalco, ACC, and Crompton Greaves. All these calls that are generated will be stored here in your alerts box. So you can always come back and check the calls that are generated. Now let me go to Maruti. And let's compare here. So we'll still wait. And apart from that, we have Torrent. So that's a buy call. So your buying price will be this one. That is the top of the candle. That is 1394. I'm approximately giving you the prices. 1394.50. That will be your buy price. So in case if your trade reaches beyond that level, then you get into an buy mode. Now you can even just check that here. So your buy price will be this. Let me just draw the line there. So that is your buy price. And apart from that, we have TCS. TCS is a sell call. I'm not doing any trades, but in case if you are fast, you could have taken this call. So your sell price is 2399 for TCS. You can even check that here. I'll have to add it. So we have Tech Mahindra also. We have a sell call. Seems like IT pack is down. Divis is on news. So let's check what's happening in Divis. That's a sell call. You can short it at this price. That is 1067. You can short it at 1067. So this is my sell price. We have ACC. ACC is a buy. So whenever you get a buy call right near this R1, R2, these are the resistance and support lines. Always try to buy above this R2. That will be 1284. That will be a buy price for ACC. So let me just draw a line here. I'll still need to get a confirmation. That is your green arrow here. We have Crompton. That's a sell here. So since it is quite close to the S2, you can short it below the S2. That is 123. Now we have a Hero Moto sell, Hexaware sell, IGL. The selling price would be 2566. So you have a sell call again in Hexaware. So you can just correlate this. You're seeing all sell calls in the IT pack. So your selling price will be this one, 242 for Hexaware, and we have a call in IGL too. So we have a sell call in IGL. So your selling price is this, 548. Your target will be 544, 545.80. That will be your first target. So Maruti, the buy price was this one, 3737. So you can have a combination of both the Ammyy broker and your TradingTree. Or if you're comfortable only with the Ammyy broker itself, you can even trade that way. So you get the trend here in your Ammyy broker, and you get the alerts in your TradingTree. So that's a combination for you. So Adani Enterprises, you can enter again at 74.75. Adani Ports, you can see that this brown line is a very strong support and resistance. So you can take this particular call once it crosses over on the upper side at 214.20. Adani Power, you can buy it above this, that is 26.70. That's Apollo Tire, Arvind, Ashok Leyland, Asian Paint, Arvindo Pharma, you can buy above this level 770. So we have an buy in Ambuja Cement, sell in Petronet. Siemens is a buy, ONGC is a sell. So Ambuja Cement, let's go to Ambuja Cement. So that's a buy call here. So we will wait or we can buy at 197.50. We have an ONGC call. So we'll wait on this too because it's trading near this brown line. In case if it breaks free, then you'll definitely have a very good trade in ONGC. Sorry. Petronet, we have a sell. So you can short it below this because that's very small profit in case if you short it now. So you can short it below the S1 level, that is 159.80. We have Siemens. We have a buy here. So you can buy at this level right now. That is 1045.60. So Torrent, you can see that this particular buy call has not executed. So we'll wait for either the price to come to 1394, or in case we get a sell call, we'll again short it. Tech Mahindra, you can see that's got executed, and TCS too. Let's check what's happening with Infi. You can see Infi is a gap down. So you'll get this particular information here if you just keep a track of the NSE website. So you just go to the sectorial indices. You can see that IT is minus 6%, 0.6%. So you can see FMCG and your IT is in red, even auto too, and maybe even pharma also. But other than that, we have the PSU banks which are doing good. Metals are doing good. There are some fundamental news on metals. So you can keep track of the sectors here. BHEL you can buy above 134.10. You can see that that is a resistance here. In case let's place a trade above that, and your first target will be 134.80. So it's sort of flat. So we have already seen that the PSU banks are doing good. So PNB will not keep a track of it, but your entry was 96.52, 96.50, sorry. It's already at 97.60. 97.60 will be your first target, sorry. We have a sell in Cipla, buy in Apollo, sell in Havels. So we have just seen that the pharma pack is also negative. So since you have got this call right above this brown line, I would suggest you short it here 562. You have one sell call in Havels. The same thing with Havels. You can short once this crosses over, or you can get into the trade right below this S1 level, that is 30120. We have Apollo tires. We have a buy here, so you can buy above this price, that is 140.50. And let's just check some trades in this one. So Maruti is flat, that is Lupin. So banks are doing good. So you have this buy call that's generated here. So Jubilant Food, I would suggest you buy at this price, roughly around 1190. JSW Steel, it's a gap up open, so there's nothing happening there. Same thing with the metal pack, that is even Jindal. FMCG is down, we have seen that in the heat map. So that's ITC. So there's a buy price here for IRB, still in the buy mode. We've seen that FMCG again, HUL is down. This is flat. So Hindalco, this is our sell price. We had a call here, did not check that. So that's a gap up open, most of the metal stocks. IB real estate, we can buy it above this R1 level, that is 5250. Reliance is a buy. So Siemens, we have already seen that buy call. SKS, yes, you can buy it at 571. So in Bank of Baroda, the PSU banks are doing good. So we have some fresh calls. You would have seen that Torrent Pharma, we were talking about getting a sell call. We got it here. And a star. So basically the pharma pack is in red. So now you can short it. You can short it at this price, 1363. In Petro, we can short it at 742. So that's star. So you can short it right below this S1 level, that is 1083. Now just compare this with your other pharma stocks. Glenmark is left. So one of the reason might be that the government has come out with that life-saving drugs. There is a fundamental news in that. So that is the reason why we are seeing all these pharma companies in red. So TCS, we had short it at 2400. Now your first target will be your S3, that is 2375. So it's Tata Steel. Tech Mahindra is flat, but it's got executed. Tata Power, you can short it at this price. It's already a gap down open, but you can short it in case if it comes to 5860. Tata Motors is down. You can short it here. We should be getting a sell call in Syndicate Bank. So that's already executed. Jindal Steel. So next target will be your this one, roughly around 61 is your target. So all these have opened gap up metals, but it's again following the Nifty now. So we have an sell in Kane and Dr. Reddy. Hindalco again we have a sell. So Hindalco we have seen that it was a gap up open. So we'll short it below the brown line, 69.90. We have Dr. Reddy sell. We can short Dr. Reddy at this level, 3073. So we have other call in Kane. So we can short again Kane here, 125.50. So these are some of the trades that we have. Other than this, I just wanted to show you another application. So you can just see that this is what I was talking about. First you get the dot and then you get a confirmation of the red arrow, then you short it. So the price at which what we have short Hindalco here is 70.50. Now it is at 70.25. So these prices are all equity prices. In case if you would like to do it in futures, only the data will change. So you'll be able to trade in even futures too. So HDIL we should be getting a sell. Havels, you have seen that we have got the dot here. So let me just draw the line. We already have a sell call in Havels here. So this is what I was talking about. You have an alert that is generated here and the levels also, the levels at which you can book your profits or put your stop losses. But you'll actually get the trend here. So Glenmark, we don't have a call yet here. We don't have a call. It was on gap up open. So we don't have a call here. But in case if you just go and see here, SL alert has come, but the confirmation should come shortly. And in case if it comes, then we can short it. So that's the idea behind having both the applications, that is your Ammyy and TradingTree. We already have a Dr. Reddy cell here, but here we have not gotten cell alert or the confirmation. So we'll wait till we get that confirmation and then we'll be able to short it. So that's the idea behind having this two things. So all your sell calls will be active now. So that is your entry for Century Textiles. In case if you just see here, we have got this sell call that is generated now. We have DHFL sell, Sun TV sell, Rel Infra, Century, Arbindo Pharma, and Asian Paint. So we mostly have all sell calls. So that's, I was just talking on the phone. So otherwise the entry is this, 750 is the entry for Arbindo Pharma. So let's go to Sun TV. So you can short it below this 345.80. This has to trigger star. Sun Pharma will get a sell. So we have DHFL and let's get DHFL. So that's a sell here. You can short it at this price 177.60. We have Asian Paint sell. So you can see that when you have this two strong supports here, that is your S1 and the brown line, it's bouncing back. So we'll try to avoid calls like this. That's got triggered. This is absolutely flat. So Petronet has done its target. You can see that it has done S2 and then it's bouncing back. This call is triggered. So Arbindo Pharma again, the call is triggered. So it has done its first target, that is S2. So the buy is triggered for Apollo tire. Your first target will be 141. We have a buy in Crompton. So this sell has not triggered. Now we have this buy. We can buy above this R1 level, that is 129.10. So that will be a buying price for Crompton. ACC, the call has not triggered. These are flat. So ARBK has done its first target. So next target is R3. So you'll have to always book your profit slightly below R1 or R2. So it will be 55.40. Ambuja has not triggered. So this has done its target, Apollo Hospital. So Apollo Tire, we had a buy. That's already done its first target. So the next target would be this 140, 160. You can just see our wind. So once it breaks the brown line, it will shoot up. So the next target is 297.40. Asian Paint, the call has not triggered. Arvindo Pharma, it's already in profits. So it's access. Now what we can do is we can start buying. Access at 409.50. Bajaj, we can buy it at 2397. Sorry, 2379. Bank of Baroda, you can buy it at 131.30. So the PSU banks are really doing good. So IT Pack is 1% down, same with Pharma. And you can just see PSU banks 2.5% up. So HCL, we have a sell. It's nothing new because we have seen that IT Pack is down. So you can short it below the S1 level, 859.60. HDIL, we can buy it at this price, 71. So IB Real Estate, you can buy above R1, that is 52.50. ICICI, you can buy it above 21210. IDBI, you can buy it at 58.20. Idea, you can buy above 103. Let's check on Maruti. So there you go. It's already done its first profit. I want me to check that in this Ammyy broker. You can even check it here. So there you have got a confirmation, but we have already done the targets there. So that was our buy price for ACC. So we have already drawn the line. So Ajanta Pharma, we have a buy here. So we can place the order here. LBK, Ambuja Cement, you can see we have the alert here. We'll get the confirmation here in this candle, most probably. Apollo Hospital, you can see that it's already done its profit. So that is your sell price. And we know the targets here in the NinjaTrader. So we already have a buy here in Apollo Tire. It's done its first target. So it's a confirmation here. Arvind, you could have bought at this price. You know that the buy is existing here. $288. So again, that's Ashok Leyland. Asian Paint. We have an alert here. Let me place the buy price here. That's roughly around 910. Aurobindo Pharma has already done its sell profit. So that's Axis. Bajaj Auto. CanBank is doing really good. So that's BHEL. It's Biocon. So that's CanBank. It has been doing really good. So can we have a buy? So your buy price will be something like this, 127.60. Century, you can see that the sell is not triggered. We have a buy here. So our buy price will be this, 486. But in case if you just check here, we have not got that buy still, but we have an alert already there in your Ammyy. Cipla, we have a buy alert. Your stop losses will be very small here. So that is one of the advantage. we have the alert here for buy, that is Glenmark. So that's HDIL. We already saw that. We're talking about the buy here, 71. So IB Real Estate, in case if you have placed the order, it has already triggered. So it's done its the second target too. The next target will be 3807. Simmons, the buy has triggered. So IRB is up. And your target will be 129.60. That will be your first target. So we have a sell in LIC and buy in Tata Power. So you can buy above this R1 level, that is 60.80. LIC you can short it below this 144.30. So DLF is raising. So the next target will be 100.30. So we have buy in Rel Infra and Kotak sell. So we can buy Rel Infra at 443. Kotak you can short it at 687.80. So let's just check the trades that we have. So ACC, the call has got triggered. So Adani Power, you can buy it above 2670. So Ambuja Cement, the call has triggered. Apollo Hospital will be getting a buy call. Apollo Tire, the call has triggered. Arvind, you can see that it has already done its target, that is R3. You can buy Ashok Leyland at 9150. Asian Paint, the sell has not triggered. Aurobindo Pharma, it did give you some profits. So that's Axis Bank. So Bajaj Auto, the buy has triggered. It's Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, it's Bank Nifty. So Bharat Forge, we saw that the recent call here, the buy call, it's already done its target. That's Bharti Airtel, BHEL, Biocon, BPCL is flat. Can, the buy call. Can Bank is really doing good. Century Textiles, the sell has not triggered. We should be getting a buy there again. That's CSE, Cipla, the sell has triggered. It's flat now. That's Coal India. That's Coal Pal. Crompton Greaves, the buy has triggered. DHFL will get a buy call. Divis is flat. DLF, you can see that the Dr. Reddy's, the sell has not triggered. That's Federal Bank. It's Gale. Glenmark, Godrej, Grasim, Havels, the sell has triggered. Same thing with HCL. It's HDFC, HDIL, you can see that the buy got triggered here. 71. Now it is at 72. So Tech Mahindra, we have a buy. In Petro, the sell has triggered. HUL, IB Real Estate, the buy has triggered. You can see that. So ICICI, IDBI, Idea, the sell has not triggered. So Apollo Hospital, we are expecting this buy. So you can buy at this price, 2579. Hero Motoco. Tech Mahindra, you can buy at this price, 476.30. Tata Power, the buy has not triggered. Syndicate Bank, the next target will be 6170. Sun TV, Sun Pharma, Star, Siemens, Reliance. The next target is 983.50. So Maruti has done its profit. So IRP, the next target will be 242.40. So that's triggered. Hero Motoko. You can see that alert here, the buy alert. So HDFC, we have a sell here. You can short it at that price. HDFC Bank also, we have a sell. It will get triggered there. So the idea is to have both the applications together, and then you will be able to trade better. And in case if you are doing it in futures, you just have to remember that the margin lot sizes are too huge now. So it's always better to book some amount of profit every day on every trade. So that is how you'll be able to earn some money while trading. So Crompton Greaves, I have a buy alert here. So that's the price. So you can see that we have a buy alert here. We'll get a confirmation too. So it's already in profit. Century Textiles, Scan Bank, Can. So you'll be able to do both intraday and positional calls in this particular application. So what you'll have to do is, in case if you're trying to do positional basis, you can put your charts on 30-minute mode, and you can trade. So the next target for ACC will be 1299. Or if you're doing intraday and want to book some small profits and come out of trades sooner, then the ideal time frame would be 5 minutes, or you can even trade in 10 minutes. Earlier we used to trade in 10 minutes because the margin lot sizes were different then, but as of now, since you know that the margin lot sizes have changed, so we are doing it in 5 minute time frame. Try to book some amount of profit, something like make something like 10 or 20,000 rupees every day, and you don't have to trade or open these many charts. You can just open few charts and then try and do your trades and then shut it down. So that's all we have for today. So Apollo Hospital, the call is triggered. 1467 will be your first target. So in case if you have any doubts, you can call us on this number, or you can mail us on this ID. This is a complete package. You'll be getting the NinjaTrader, that is your trading tree, and you'll be getting the Ammyy broker and the application what we saw for opening the charts automatically. This is a complete pack. So in case if you're interested, you can just give us a call, and then that is again we have the data also. That is the data server which will carry a monthly subscription. So in case if you're interested, you can just call on this number or mail us on this email ID. So thanks for coming.